Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming snap type and damage so you know which replacement and method to use. Once done, remove loose pieces carefully with pliers. Pry the cap free with an awl if needed. Make sure to clear frayed fabric threads and flatten surrounding material so the new snap will seat evenly. Lay the garment on a firm board and mark the exact spot with chalk. This prevents misalignment. Now choose the matching snap size and separate components: cap, socket, stud, post, so you can assemble in order. Once components are ready, align the cap and socket on the garment's outer face so the post goes cleanly through the hole. Hold the inner post and stud in place beneath. Use an anvil or scrap wood beneath to support the snap. Then make controlled taps with a small hammer until the parts interlock. Don't smash, tap, check, tap again. If it's a sew-on snap, thread a needle with reinforced thread and sew through the holes in a star pattern with 6 to 8 passes, finishing with secure knots. Now test the snap by closing and opening it 5 to 10 times, feeling for firm engagement and correct alignment. If it feels loose, make small additional taps to tighten the join or swap to a slightly larger replacement. Sometimes adding a small fabric backing patch gives extra grip. If the snap is crooked, remove it gently with pliers, trim loose threads, reinforce the hole with a patch or interfacing, then reinstall at your original chalk mark. Remember, patience and small adjustments fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.